people think they can't create a digital product because they are not an expert, they don't know enough, or they don't have anything valuable to sell. But that's actually not true. You see, the real problem is this: you don't know how to turn what you already know into something that people will actually pay for and find value in. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So by the end of this, you won't just have an idea, you'll know how to turn it into a real product that you can actually sell. Before we get into it, if you haven't chosen your niche yet, then download my AI Niche Finder guide below. It'll help you turn what you already know into a profitable idea, validate it so you know it will sell before you waste time building it, and actually get you started. If you're new here, my name is Naaman Shashika. I spent 16 years in investment banking, going from Wall Street to becoming a vice president in London. And now I've built an online income stream on the side that has generated over $500,000. And I help other people get started making money online. What I've seen happen over and over again is this: most people already have what they need to start. They just don't know how to sort of take it out and package it. So let's fix that. Here is the shift I need you to make. You are not selling knowledge. Nobody actually buys that. It's everywhere now. You are selling solutions. Your digital product is not everything that you know. It's not your whole life story. It's not a huge course. It's simply this: a clear solution to a specific problem. So let's make this very practical. How do you find your idea? Ask yourself, what have I figured out that someone else is still struggling with? Examples could be: you lost weight, so a weight loss guide. You managed your finances, so a budgeting template. You planned an event, so a checklist. You changed careers or moved to a new country, a step-by-step guide. Now, here's where most people overcomplicate things. They start to think, well, I need to create a full course. Then I need to add videos. I need it to be something very big. No, you can start simple. Here are the steps that I recommend. Step one, pick one problem, not 10, not 5, just one. Step two, create a simple solution. Take that one problem and turn it into something practical. This could be a guide, a checklist, a template, something that helps someone go from confused to clear, stuck to making progress. And here's the part that most people miss: you don't have to do this alone. These days, you can use AI to help you. AI can help draft your content, it can structure your product, it can organize your product. But don't stop there, because this is where you come in. You then add your personal experience, your stories, your tips, what actually worked for you. That's how you make it unique. AI can help you create it, but it's your experience that makes it truly valuable. And because that's what makes your product different, real, and useful, people will buy it. Now, once your content is ready, you can use simple tools like Canva or Gamma to design it and make it look clean and professional. You don't even need to have design skills. You just need something that looks clear and credible. Now, the next thing is keep it small. This is very important. Your first digital product should be simple enough to finish, simple enough to launch quickly, and something that you can build in a weekend. Now, the next thing is to launch it properly. This is where a lot of people get stuck because they don't know what launch actually means. So let me break it down. Launch doesn't mean building a complicated website, setting up loads of tech. It simply means this: upload your product to a simple online store, get a link, and start sharing it. There are platforms that make this really easy these days: Stan Store, Beacons, Seller if you're based in an African country. You can upload your product, set your price, and get a live link in less than an hour. And once you have that link, you can start promoting it immediately. You can share it on social media. You can put it in your bio. What actually stops people? Let me tell you what actually keeps people stuck. Overthinking, trying to make their first product perfect, trying to include everything in the product, and then waiting to feel ready. Look, here is the truth: you don't need to be ready, you just need to start. Here's what happens when you actually do this: 1, you stop overthinking; 2, you gain confidence; 3, you get real feedback; and 4, you make your first sale. But most importantly, you move from thinking to actually doing. So if you're still trying to figure out what should I even create, what niche should I choose, Particularly if you have lots of skills, lots of experience, and you don't know where to start with the AI Niche Finder guide below. It will help you turn what you already know into something that people will pay you for. It will help you validate your idea before you build it and create your first digital product so you can actually start earning online. In my next video, I'm going to show you something even more practical. 5 digital products you can create this weekend, even if you are starting from scratch. Hear me out. You don't need more ideas. You don't need more information. What you need is to start and to build your first digital product. I'll see you in the next video.